Hello, my name is Peter and welcome to my channel. Today we'll work on these ear savers. So I would like you to show it how to make one, and the best thing is you can use your scrap yarn and some old buttons. So I will give this for free to my co-workers because we need to wear our face masks entire shift. So 8.5 hours, and our ears really start to hurt. So I made this, and they are very satisfied with them, and there are more and more co-workers that want one. Okay, so we will start with this project. This ear saver is 6 inches long and 1.5 inches wide, and I will use a 4mm crochet hook. So depends on how big or how long or how short this ear saver you want. You can just adjust it with the chains, with the starting chains. So enough words, and let's start with this project. We will start with a slip knot. And now I will chain 26. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and the last one, 26. So we have 26 chains. If you want it shorter, you can make a few chains less. So in the second chain from the hook, we'll work 2 single crochets. 1, 2. I will put a stitch marker into the first single crochet. It makes my life a little bit easier, but it's not necessary. So into the next 23 chains, we'll work 1 single crochet. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 21, 22, 23. You have one loop, one chain remaining. So in this last chain, we'll work 3 single crochets. 1, 2, 3. On the other side, we'll work 23 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, and I work over this tail. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 21, 22, 23, and on this side we worked 3 single crochets into the last chain, and here we started with only 2, so into this space we'll work one more single crochet. And now we'll slip stitch to the first single crochet, like that. Okay. And we'll start with round 2, our last round. We'll chain 2, and this chain 2 does not count as a stitch. Into the same stitch we'll work 1 double crochet. Like that. Into the next stitch 2 double crochets. Into the next 23 single crochets we'll work 1 double crochet. That's 2, 3, 4, 5. 21, 22, 23. So we'll work 2 double crochets in each of the next 3 stitches. That's 2 in the first, into the next single crochet, 2 double crochets, and into the next single crochet, 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. Again, double crochet in each of the next 23 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 22, 23. Into the next single crochet, 2 double crochets, 1, 2, and we started with only 1 double crochet in this first stitch. We have to work 1 more double crochet into the same stitch. Now we can slip stitch into the first double crochet of this round, chain 1, and we can cut our tail, cut our yarn, pull it through and fasten off. So, and our SAVER is done. So we are done with our crocheting. We can cut this tail off. We'll hide this tail. That. Okay. So we have to sew on these 2 buttons. I'll take a piece of yarn, thread our needle, and I'll place my button like that. I'll go in on one side, like this. Nothing special about that. Okay. On the back side I will tie 2 knots, and then I'll hide this tails. One and the other. So now just repeat this on the other button. Okay, and we are done. As you can see, in just a few minutes we made our ear saver. And what is this? This is one more happy co-worker. So hope you enjoyed this video. This is very easy to make, and yes, hope this will help you. So until the next time, enjoy your crocheting and be safe.